Great, welcome back. This is Math is Your Friend series. We are talking about solving algebraic equations, and we are still starting with the beginner series. I want to make it simplified. I want to start with some simple problems, right? And then apply the six key steps we learned in the previous session. Again, as a refresher, these are the six key steps we learned in the previous video, and I'll provide a link for that as well in the below description. But what we're going to do is we're going to solve this problem. As you can see, this is extremely simple, and that is by intention. And we want to see how these six steps can be applied to find the value of p. All right, let's get it going. So step one, what are they asking for? We are asking for what is the value of p. So you just write p equals question mark. This is what you are going to fill it up, right? This is the solution we are trying to find out. Step two, are there any multiplications or division? Nope. So there is no need to rewrite. This is fine. Step three, are there any fractions? There are no fractions. So there is no need to rewrite this equation. Step four. Step four is really about bringing all these the variable together in one side, meaning here we are trying to find the value of p, and you can see in this equation there is 2p and p. There are two expressions using the value of variable p. So let's try to bring it together. So here I am trying to bring uh, towards the left side. So what I'm trying to do is, this is the original equation, 2p minus 1 equals p, and I'm subtracting minus p both sides so that this cancels out, and this becomes 2p minus p is p, then minus 1 as is equals 0. And step 5, we are ready to start solving this problem. So p minus 1 equals 0, and I want to get rid of minus 1. The one way to do is just add plus 1 here and plus 1 here both sides. So minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So p equals 1. Always remember, if you add or subtract any number in the left side, you should do the same thing on the right side so that the equation is always balanced. Um, the results will still remain the same. But this is a way to remove the unwanted values, right, from any equation. I hope this is clear. And so now p equals 1. Now step 6 is really about, we just need to prove this is actually the right value. And here what I'm doing is I'm substituting the value of p equal to 1 in the original equation. So 2 times p is 1 here. So 2 times 1 minus 1 equals 1, which is 2 minus 1 equals 1. Hence the solution is verified. I'm sure this is pretty simple, and I really hope this is helpful. Again, please remember, we are simply trying to apply all the six key steps which we learned in the previous video back into this problem. And I'll be adding other video where we'll be building on top of this. We'll be making a little bit complex equations um, on top of this, right? I really hope this is helpful, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.